Okay, this is instructions on how to turn on the ceiling fan in the master bedroom of your rental. So there's the ceiling fan, and on the wall here is where the remote is wall mounted. It just snaps onto the holder just like that. You can take it off, snap it on. The ceiling fan master remote control is with this switch. This is off. To turn on the fan, you have to make sure that this is on, otherwise the remote control would not work. So make sure that is on the on position. Then you can use the remote to turn on the fan, turn on the light, and at various speeds. Or off that button. Now if the ceiling fan is on, you can either turn it off by hitting this button on the remote, or if you're in a hurry, you can also turn the whole thing off with this switch off. That will turn off the ceiling fan. But remember, if this is on the off position, the remote would not work. So to turn it back on again, you just gotta make sure you turn that on.